The Excelway B200 is a multi-purpose compact sweeper engineered for all-season performance. It combines high suction power, precise maneuverability, and operator comfort, all in one versatile platform. Powered by a 75 horsepower Stage 5 Tier 4 diesel engine, the B200 delivers strong and efficient performance on any terrain. Hydrostatic four-wheel drive and four-wheel steering ensure constant traction and control, even in confined urban spaces. Inside the cab, every detail is designed around the operator. A climate-controlled workspace, ergonomic air suspension seat, and panoramic visibility provide comfort and confidence through long working hours. The patented stainless steel vacuum head ensures continuous suction, capturing fine dust, leaves, and bulky litter with equal precision. A high-efficiency airflow system maintains consistent cleaning performance, even while reversing. Compact yet powerful, the B200 measures only 61 inches wide. Its four-wheel steering enables a tight turning radius, ideal for narrow streets, bike paths, and parking structures. With a 2 cubic meter hopper and a 3,300-pound payload, the B200 delivers productivity with every pass. Built for year-round work, the B200 adapts quickly to any season. The iLink system allows rapid attachment changeovers, from sweeping to snow removal or salt spreading, without tools or downtime. Built to North American standards, engineered for durability, safety, and long-term reliability. The Excelway B200, compact, versatile, and built for every season.